Students, good morning. Today the class 12th biology chapter 1st of NCERT book reproduction in organisms जीवों में प्रजनन 26 July 2021 the first chapter I have taught here. At the first, what is reproduction? Reproduction means generating young ones. For what? For continuation of species. प्रजनन, नई पीढ़ी को जन्म देना, और क्यों देना? क्योंकि निरंतरता बनी रहे उस प्रजाति की. अब when the any organism evolve on the earth from the birth to death, from birth to death, that is called the life span. ये उसका लाइफ स्पैन कहलाता है, जीवन काल या आयु. डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनिजम्स एंजॉय वेरिड लाइफ स्पैन. अलग अलग जो जीव होते हैं उनका जो लाइफ स्पैन है वो अलग अलग होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एवरेज एज ऑफ डॉग 12 to 14 years, elephant 60 to 75 years, parrot 140 years, human 60 to 90 years. And this way, that is the lifespan. And reproduction is very important thing to maintain the balance of the environment as well as the balance of the earth and its atmosphere. So the reproduction in organism, how means what is the life span from birth. After birth, the living organism taking growth continuously. बर्थ से लेके लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म जो है वो ग्रोथ करता है, उसकी वृद्धि होती है. ड्यूरिंग दिस ग्रोथ, at the particular time, the living organism is able to reproduce, and it reproduces its next generation. And after that, the completion of the lifespan, it occurs death. So the birth, growth and death. Okay, that is the process of the complete life span. Between growth and death, there is reproduction takes place. Size of organisms depend upon its lifespan. According to lifespan, here is the dependency of the size of the organisms. Vice versa means ये कहा जाए कि जो लाइफ स्पान है वो डिपेंड करता है साइज ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिजम्स पे. ट्रीज लिव लॉन्गर देन अदर ऑर्गेनिजम्स. जनरली जो ट्रीज होते हैं वो ज़्यादा जीते हैं, बट इमॉर्टेलिटी बिल्कुल है. Immortality is impossible. Everything is mortal here. मतलब यहाँ पर जिसने भी बर्थ लिया है ग्रोथ करेगा, रिप्रोड्यूस करेगा. डेथ मीन्स वो उसकी डेथ जरूर होगी, मृत्यु को प्राप्त करेगा. सो हियर इज द व्हाट द फैक्टर्स दैट helpful in the reproduction, the habitat of the organism and internal physiology. These are many factors, but these are the main two factors: habitat of organisms and internal physiology. Habitat means where the organism survive, what are the conditions, surroundings, natural conditions, environment. And internal physiology means when we go further, we will discuss about that matter. Internal physiology means sexual, asexual, sexual organs, what is the way internal fertilization or external fertilization. We'll discuss about it. Now, types of reproduction. Here is the two types of the reproduction: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. And asexual reproduction generally occur in the unicellular organisms, the best example of the asexual reproduction, because there is a cell division. Here is the picture, and the center box of the board. Primary cell is swollen or the developed and change into the 1, 2, 3 and 4th and 5th step. It is divided into two new individuals. So that is the division of cell. So that is called the cell division, binary fusion. That is amoeba. In amoeba, that is takes place. So that is the kind of the asexual reproduction. Okay, asexual reproduction refers means in which the no sexual organs take part. In sexual reproduction, the sexual organs are very important. So that is the first introductory chapter of the biology, and if you got any doubt, you will ask me. So that is the reproduction in organisms. We will go further about that matter. Then sexual, asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, vegetative propagation and much more. Thank you very much.